just adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
It's a good day. We are at, where are we?
Like, it's a really cool park. There's like trees and everything, and you can see different kind of birds and stuff like that. And right now, we're going on a human trail where we can walk.
A human trail. Apparently we're going on a human trail.
Look. Yeah, look.
We came across this bridge.
Guys, I hope there's feathers. Guys, I hope there's no snakes.
Yeah, I hope so too. So today's a little bit different. I decided, you know, due to all the craziness that's going on in Florida, I just thought that we'd make this a different topic. Just enjoy being out and about and, you know, getting our minds off the hurricane and just having fun today. So that's why I brought the girls at this park. We're just gonna play and enjoy nature. We're just gonna explore and walk. You okay? That's not a slide, Izzy.
No, I slipped. I didn't go on it.
I know.
Daddy, look at it.
It says think.
Oh my gosh, look, Cassidy's trying to pick up. Oh my god.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may.
We made it.
But the view's great, guys.
We made it. No, just kidding. We're not super tired.
Yeah,
we got back in the car and decided to drive up. It was a long drive. I do not think we would have made it if we decided to walk like the girls wanted to.
Yeah, but look at the view.
But yeah, it's awesome. Let me see if I can get it clear. The view is amazing. So there's quite a few different views everywhere. They're amazing. The camera doesn't give it do it justice. There's one here, but you can't see on the camera. And there's quite a few around that looks amazing and awesome. This is actually called the Kennesaw Battlegrounds National Park or something like that. It's actually really cool. And I'm glad that we decided to come up here and drive. Like I said, we wouldn't have made it walking. What do you guys think? It would have taken us a while
5 minutes.
Driving?
Well, no, about 5 minutes driving, but walking I think it would take like 2 hours. No, more than that.
It'd have taken us maybe like a good 20 minutes or so like that.
Yeah, 20 hours probably.
And that's because we're driving a little bit fast, I think. Anyways, this is cool. We're taking a little snack break. Everyone's snacking up. And it's cool because they have like, we're almost at the peak, the top. There's a little bit more, but we stopped here. This was fun. But now we will jump back home. You guys ready?
No. I think I can jump.
You get it? Okay, you ready? Jump. And we're home. We warped home. Oh, you twisted your ankle? That was a big jump.
Yeah.
Coming home.
Pretty much.
You're still jumping?
Here, all the way to here.
All the way home. Yep.
Whoa.
So we made it home. Kids are tired. We're exhausted. We're gonna go out to eat, but then mom's like, Becca's been working all day, but she has some lunch ready, so we're gonna eat, hang out, and let the kids have some fun at home. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, your ankle. You want some ice on that ankle? Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. You in that hat. You in that hat. He's being silly. It's party time at the house. So we come upstairs and Cash and Leah Trump dancing. They put this music on and we're all hanging out. Kids are in there, we're down there, and they're dancing up here. I caught you guys dancing. Go Lily, go Cash, go Cash, go. Oh, the party crew is coming. Oh. Go girl, go. Oh, okay. Hey, Mr. Freeze over there.
Freeze. Wait.
Ready? And freeze.
Oh, I turned it up.
You turned it up. Okay, and go. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go. Dance. Go, Cash. Go. And freeze. And go. Go, boy. You guys are so funny. And spin it. Go easy. Do the robot. Do the dab. Dab. And freeze. Everybody dance. All right, looks like Cash abandoned us. He's gone. He's done.
So welcome to Atlanta, or actually we're not in Atlanta, it's called Kennesaw. We're in Georgia. I know my pants ripped. Disregard my ripped pants. But we're not in Florida anymore. So everyone's been asking me, so how's Georgia? I have no idea because I've been working indoors all day, so I have no idea. But apparently they have something. What do they have, Lily? Show us. Mushrooms.
Oh, so that's why you want to go on a walk, so you can see things outside.
Yeah, because in Georgia, it's different than Florida. Because in Georgia, y'all have a Georgia Southern accent. Oh, don't eat those. Don't eat the shrooms. We're not going to do that. Don't eat those, okay?
One night.
Perfect weather. Izzy, tell us what just happened. I didn't catch it on camera. I went to grab the camera to see what just happened. Oh. Something happened right there on your feet.
Oh, I know. I learned how to tie my shoes by myself.
When? Give me 5.
Just as you know, I'm talking to Daddy, kind of. Whoa, so.
High 5. You're awesome, girl. So Izzy just learned how to tie her shoe by herself.
Mom didn't even help me. She was just saying cool and talking to Lily, and it's because her pants ripped.
My pants ripped.
And I was just trying to kill the mushroom.
He was trying to eat it.
Ew, bud.
So we are going to go for a walk because we have never been here to Kennesaw, Georgia. I'm going to take you guys on our walk with us. We're at my really good friend's house. So we are going to go on a walk around our neighborhood and just check it out. So we just started our walk, and what is it that you got?
Wax.
What are walks? Walks. We got lots of rocks.
Rocks.
Apparently they ain't got those in Florida.
She can't even say rrr. She can't say that.
It's cute. I'm just teasing. It's what. Let's look at the walks. Walks.
Rocks.
Oh, awesome. Let's go for a walk, guys. What did you come with?
A new battery. You guys are dying.
You're dying. No.
We have to put you back. So.
Let's CPR. Oh.
Okay, I got you guys.
You're back. You're alive. All right, so let's go for a walk around the hood.
So we actually found this S on the ground. It's really cool. Lily found some rocks and learned to put it on the S.
So the kids are super excited about something we never see in Florida, which is called hills. We never have hills in Florida, and so they are climbing down the hills, rolling down the hills.
Did you guys enjoy your walk?
Yeah.
It was
We
a
found
nice.
some cool sticks.
Yes, and the weather here is awesome. Well, stop making that mess, boy. Throwing rocks everywhere. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was all about being outdoors and just enjoying the day to get our minds off of the weather. Give me this. Off the weather that's going on in Florida. So on the next vlog, I will be giving you guys an update because we do have more people staying where we are currently staying. But I'll definitely update you guys that on the next vlog on how the weather's going. We will possibly be moving to possibly going to Alabama because it's probably gonna hit where we are right now too. So keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys. Thanks for coming. Love you guys. Ow.
Are you okay, Daddy?
Cash just hit me in between the legs. Ah. Anyways, see you. Bunch bouncing out. See you guys. Love you. Bye.